I'm Dr. Sue Williams, and I have Dr. Sue's Chocolate. I'm an internal medicine doctor, and I started a chocolate shop that makes all-natural dark chocolate. Everything is handmade here in the shop, and we try to provide people with a little healthier option when they want to have something special. My current favorite is the dark chocolate mocha bar because I love coffee also. So it lets me have the perfect afternoon pickup with a little bit of dark chocolate and some wonderful coffee that's actually roasted in New Mexico with high altitude pinyon tree wood. It's delicious. Well, I've always loved to cook and entertain. I think there's a lot about having a common table and sharing that's really very similar to medicine because you're giving a part of yourself to people. And so when I had an empty nest and my daughter went to college, I took some time and went to Chicago and took classes to become a chocolatier. And this shop is the perfect counterpart to the other things I do. It makes people happy. Chocolate always puts a smile on people's face, and I'm very fortunate. I don't actually pay myself with the company. I'm able to use part of the proceeds to donate to local organizations that promote health and wellness. So it's a special opportunity because I feel like it makes us even more a part of the community. We love being in Grapevine. It's been wonderful for us. Everyone's super supportive, and we meet all kinds of new wonderful people that are coming to Grapevine. So it has been the perfect place for our chocolate shop. We meet people from all over the world. There are people that come to Grapevine from Australia and Britain and France, and there's not a day that goes by when I walk down the street that we don't even hear people speaking other languages. And to me that's really, that diversity is really stimulating and interesting. But then the community itself is also super supportive. I grew up in a small town, and I love that sense of community that you get with a place like Grapevine. You know, I think it has a personality all its own. The festivals, the willingness for the city as a whole, and particularly the historic community right here, to welcome people for all sorts of activities, whether it's Main Street Days or Grape Fest or gosh, Christmas, because it's the Christmas capital of Texas. And with a chocolate shop, that's my favorite time of year, to hear the Christmas music outside and see the lights and everyone's decorated and you're outdoors walking around shopping and hopefully having a cup of hot chocolate or a piece of chocolate too.